On November 8, 2023, an Arkansas state trooper was on a routine patrol when he saw a motorcycle lane. Splitting lane splitting may be legal in California, but not in Arkansas. Also not legal in Arkansas. Going double the speed limit, the trooper quickly flips on his lights, and sirens attempting to pull over the suspect. The situation quickly evolves into a pursuit 1, where officers utilize a tactic never seen before.
This second officer is traveling northbound on I-430, while the pursuing officer is traveling eastbound on I-40. This second officer is likely rushing through traffic in hopes to continue the chase if the motorcyclist outpaces the pursuing officer. Otherwise, if the suspect heads south, the officer will have to use an unusual tactic to stop the chase, which would be coming from the opposite side of the highway. According to the speed tracker on the officer's cruiser, the pursuit reaches speeds of 142 miles per hour. One small misstep by this motorcyclist at these high speeds, and he's done for. A third officer joins the pursuit and jumps onto 40 East just behind the initial cruiser. The second cruiser is still traveling northbound on I-430, and it looks like he won't be able to catch up in time to continue the chase on I-40. However, the suspect is coming up to this 4 in the highway. He can either continue east on I-40 or he could decide to take an exit to travel southbound on I-430 and unknowingly travel towards the second pursuing officer. The suspect did take the I-430 south exit and is now heading directly towards the second officer. Thinking fast, the officer drives his cruiser over the median in an attempt to make a blockade on the highway.
He wrecked out. Hey, get on the f***ing ground! On the ground, now! On the ground! You're on back there.
Hey, can I got
Hey, shut the f*** up!
Hey, can I take this helmet off?
Hey, shut up! Hey, I don't give a fuck.
Okay,
We're cutting it.
You got these clips on the front, yeah.
I don't give a shit. I'm cutting your helmet off too.
It's a little pull tab.
I don't care.
That red tab.
I don't care. It's getting cut off.
Okay.
Did I get the new bus off? He's going back to Palmer County. Oh, yeah. Turn this way. Stop facing this way. Hey, face the car. Now the right remain silent. You understand your rights? Yes, sir. Bike stolen?
No, sir. I just found it on Saturday. I have the bill of sale on this phone.
Slide in.
That. Can I pull these pants
Get
up
in.
real quick? Okay. I don't have much to say to y'all, but I apologize. That was stupid. I shouldn't have.
You're right.
I shouldn't have put y'all through that.
Gun. Ronald, take a picture of where this gun is. Let me get my camera.
Yes, sir.
How do you run off the road? I blocked this lane and the shoulder. That's the only reason the damn pursuit stopped. Yeah. He could either stop or run off the road.
Using the math seen here on screen, we estimate that the suspect is traveling roughly 32 to 45 miles per hour, when he passes in front of this cruiser by employing this novel approach. Not only does this tactic bring the vehicular chase to an abrupt halt, but it also cleverly prompts the motorcyclist to swiftly and substantially reduce their speed to a much safer level, far below 142 miles per hour.
He'd still be running right now. He's got no criminal history at all. Running just to be running. No dope, no criminal history.
So you're really just running around now?
He's just running for no reason. Maybe dope on him? No. He's never even been arrested. It is what it is. It's the exact same bike that I chased a couple months ago. And he was driving the same too. Doing his he's getting on top of it, weaving real hard, like trying to shake it, just being stupid, you know.
According to a police report, officers discovered he was carrying a blue pistol with an extra magazine in his backpack. Multiple officers in the area noted that they witnessed who they believed to be the same rider, speeding excessively days prior, but were not able to stop him. The report lists charges for 1 felony for fleeing in a vehicle causing substantial danger and several misdemeanors including reckless driving, speeding more than 15 over the limit, which in this case it was likely more than 65 miles over the speed limit. Improper unsafe lane, change improper passing on left, improper passing on right, failure to use turn signal driving vehicle without tags, no proof of insurance and no motorcycle endorsement. His current court case verdict and sentencing are currently unknown.
The key off on that bike when you walk back out there? Sir, I have a question for you. When I get my call at the station, will I be able to look at my phone to look at my contacts?